blending the effortless removal and true versatility of NX3 resin cement with the adhesive superiority of OptiBond XTR. Kerr creates the new standard for the permanent cementation of CAD/CAM restorations. With simplified procedures, easy cleanup, superior color stability, high adhesion and minimal post-op sensitivity, the benefits are easy to see. We are pleased to introduce Dr. Mark J. Fleming as he shares his experiences using Kerr's NX3 XTR cementation system for CEREC restorations. Dr. Fleming, can you tell us about the journey that brought you to Phoenix?
I've been practicing dentistry since 1978. Really enjoy it. First started out in Cincinnati, Ohio, which was basically my area that I grew up in. Loved the city. The only problem with it was 1,000 miles too far north. So my wife and I, in 1993, moved to Sarasota, Florida, because everybody jumps on I-75 and just goes south, and that's where we ended up. So really enjoyed practicing in Sarasota until the end of 2011. But about 5 years ago, I was asked by Dr. Samir Puri at the Scottsdale Center to come out and help teach CEREC courses. And I've always enjoyed teaching. And so I jumped on that opportunity. We've become busier and busier out at the center, which meant more and more plane rides between Sarasota and Scottsdale, and actually it just began to wear on me after a period of time. So I knew I still wanted to practice dentistry, and I knew I still wanted to teach. So my wife and I moved out here at the beginning of 2012, and then been enjoying it ever since. In dentistry, we're bombarded with many choices from materials and how we do things, and it's an ongoing process. When I look at a product, I wanted to look at the clinical means of, is it going to give me the properties that I want? I want long-lasting dentistry. I want to do dentistry right the first time and have it last a long time. We all know nothing is permanent, but I like to have my work last as long as possible. And one of the things I want to look at first is the company that stands behind their materials. I want to be able to have the confidence when I use a material that it's going to benefit the patient and benefit myself and benefit the practice. Well, some of the biggest reasons why to use the NX3 and the XTR system was first that it's backed by Kerr, who's been a leader in adhesive dentistry over all the years and having the gold standard. But also the silination process. I know that's going to be fresh each time because of the chemistry that's involved between the two products, and keeping it in the same family from the same manufacturer is very important. An added benefit to the XTR and the NX3 also was the great cleanup afterwards. Sometimes that can be problematic in adhesive dentistry, and this just made it a breeze.